Introducing FMP Maintenance by Omen Systems. Your solution to tracking all work orders on your equipment, made easy. Don't waste a mechanic's time by having them fill out paperwork on what they've done. Pull in work orders automatically and add time through the maintenance time card. You need something that will be quick and easy for them to use. It doesn't get easier than this. Stay informed, as notifications are sent across to your mechanics, maintenance manager, foreman, and anyone else needing to stay in the know. Are you tracking meter hours through an equipment telematics service? With API access, Omen Systems can sync that information directly into FMP maintenance. It's that easy. Utilize a full parts inventory system. And always know when you're running low and need to stock up on that oil filter. How easy can work orders be set up for your mechanics to complete? Easier than this video. So, contact us now to find out more.